The lesson starts with the introduction of Mahatma Gandhi. At present time, Mahatma Gandhi is there to attend one meeting. This is a meeting where so many Congressy people, because one meeting is there and many delegates, many VIPs are there. Because this is the time when people are planning how we can get freedom from the Britishers. Because that time our India was not free. It was under the possession of the Britishers. So educated people like Mahatma Gandhi, Nehruji or Rajendra Prasad, they used to meet. They have one meeting and they discuss how we can become free from the Britishers. So that is why the same type of meeting was going on. In the same meeting, one person whose name was Rajkumar Shukla came there because he heard that he could meet Gandhiji there in that meeting. So, because somebody has told Rajkumar Shukla that you should meet Mahatma Gandhi because you are having this problem of sharecropping. In summary, already I have told you, in Champaran in Bihar, sharecropping system was going on. And what was the sharecropping system? In sharecropping system, the farmers had to grow indigo on 15% of the total land. Okay? And then they have to give this indigo as a rent to the Britishers. So Rajkumar Shukla and many other farmers were suffering because now every day so many changes were coming in the agreement. So Rajkumar Shukla met, but Mahatma Gandhi was not giving any importance to Rajkumar Shukla. He was not paying attention. He was not hearing. But what Rajkumar Shukla doing? He was constantly following Mahatma Gandhi. And wherever Mahatma Gandhi was going, whether Calcutta, whether Mumbai, whether Gujarat, everywhere Shukla was going, he was thinking that whenever Gandhiji will free, he will give me some time. And the result was also something like that. Mahatma Gandhi was impressed with Rajkumar Shukla because with his determination. It means if the person is always following me, it means really he is having some problem. And Rajkumar Shukla also begged. He requested Mahatma Gandhi, sir, please give me one date. Please give me one appointment. I want to meet you. Then Mahatma Gandhi said, okay, on one particular day I would be in Calcutta. You should come there. So Rajkumar Shukla became successful to have the appointment of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. I'm going to explain on page number 47, fourth paragraph. The explanation will start from month past. Shukla was sitting on his own chair. From here up to page number 48 and the end of the first paragraph. Advocates of home rule. Okay, up to here I will explain. So now, as Shukla had got one appointment, so Mahatma Gandhi already has given him a date. He had not given recent date. He had given date which came after many months. But Shukla did not forget the date. When Mahatma Gandhi reached to Calcutta, he found Shukla was already sitting on the floor. Haunches means this is a way to sit on the floor without any chair, without any assessment. So Shukla was sitting there, and then Mahatma Gandhi went to Champaran with Shukla by a train, and meanwhile they reached to Muzaffarpur. In Muzaffarpur, not in Muzaffarpur, Patna. First of all, they decided to go to Patna. In Patna, Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was living. He was also interested in political activity, so he knew Mahatma Gandhi very well. At that time, he was only a lawyer. He was not the president of India because India was not free at that time. So both of them, means Shukla and Mahatma Gandhi, went to Rajendra Prasad house. At that day, Rajendra Prasad was not in the city. Only servants were there. So one of the servants came there and he thought perhaps Mahatma Gandhi is also a peasant or any farmer of any village. Why he thought in that way? Two reasons were there. Because Mahatma Gandhi returned from abroad. He was a foreign returned person. He was a lawyer. But still there was no pump and show. He lived in such a simple way that understand that he is such a great lawyer, or he is such a rich person, or he is such a great personality. He thought perhaps he is also a simple farmer, and because of the dark complexion of Mahatma Gandhi, he thought that perhaps he is untouchable person. So he advised Mahatma Gandhi, okay, you go in our servant quarter, stay there, where all you farmer used to stay whenever they come to meet Rajendra Prasad. So the servant instructed Mahatma Gandhi, okay, you go and stay there, but listen, don't go to our well. Well means a source of water. Because in olden days, in every house, one well was found in the yard just to take the water. In those days, summers or something like that, these things were not available. So every big house, every house of rich person was having well. Every house was not having, but the house of rich people. So the servant said, don't take water from our well. Why he said? Because he was thinking Mahatma Gandhi is an untouchable person. If he is taking water, fetching water out of the well, or if some drops of the water went back into the well, what will be the result? Our whole source of water will be polluted. It will become dirty. Why it will become dirty? Because it will be touched by the untouchable person. So this was the thinking in those days. So sometimes this question comes: why the servant not allowed Mahatma Gandhi to take the water from the well? Why? Because he got confused. He was thinking he was also another farmer, or he also thought he was an untouchable person. That's why he did not allow him. And Mahatma Gandhi was living in such a simple way. He was so humble. He was not having any attitude that he was a foreign return person. Well, finally they stood there, they planned something, and then Mahatma Gandhi thought, I myself will go to the field, I myself will go to the site, or I will go to the people, and I will collect evidence from the people. I myself will talk to the people. I am not blindly going to believe in Shukla's saying. Shukla has told me, no problem, but I have to see whether Shukla is right or wrong. So I will go. Then he went to Muzaffarpur. In Muzaffarpur, J.B. Kriplani, he was one of the professors. So Mahatma Gandhi informed him, okay, I am coming to your city. So because he was a teacher, professor, so he had many students. So he was waiting at the railway station for Mahatma Gandhi to welcome. He is such a great person, is coming to my city. And finally he was living at one professor's house. This was the name of the professor was Mr. Malkani. Malkani was a government employee. Government means British employee in those days. And if you are a government servant in those days and you are speaking against Britishers, it means if you are advocating, one word is coming, advocates of home rule. Home rule means our country should be ruled by we people, not the Britishers. So if you are talking about home rule, you are advocating for home rule, and you are a government employee, it means government is not going to hear you anymore. The government will suspend you. We have given you job and you are talking against us. So Mahatma Gandhi stayed at Malkani's home for 2 days, and Malkani was a government employee. So this was a very daring thing in those days. To ask someone means to ask Mahatma Gandhi, okay sir, you come at my home and do whatever you want to do, means you can advocate for the home rule, or you can fight here against the Britishers. So this was a very daring thing, because Malkani could lose his job. Malkani could get any punishment from the Britishers, but still Malkani did this daring or bold thing. Sometimes question come, why it was daring to allow Mahatma Gandhi to stay at home of Malkani? Simple thing, because Malkani was a government employee, and this was a very daring thing to allow any advocate of home rule in those days. That is why it is said that this was a very daring thing by Malkani. Okay.